Hey guys, what's up? So I got the bulbs, and yeah, H4 bulbs, LEDs. The name of the bulbs are called S9 Eco. So let's just open them up. They are 6000K, the brightness. So how these bulbs usually work is that the higher the K is in Kelvin, by the way. So the higher the Kelvin, the more white the light is. And for example, if you take 4200, it'll be white with a hint of yellow. 5000 is a good center line of it, and 6000 is white with a hint of violet. So that's what I'm going for. So let's just continue opening this. Alright, they look quite sick, honestly. Yeah, look at that. Here are the bulbs. So now we gotta go try it out. The first thing I'm gonna do right now is to remove the battery. This is gonna help clear up some space for me to install the bulbs. So for now, I'm gonna try to take out the bulb from over here. So you can see this brown color piece over here. So I have to take this thing out and replace it. So with your bare hands, try to pull out the socket like so. And next, there's a gasket covering the outside, so you just rotate it anti-clockwise and pull it out. Okay, now, so with two hands, try to remove the rubber gasket, like so. Next, you want to try to remove the pins that is holding the bulb. So push it in and then pull it to the right, and you can remove it like so. This may take some time, but then you can remove the bulb slowly. So this is the old H4 halogen bulb. So this is the new LED bulb, and here's the old. In with the new, and out with the old. You see this old halogen bulb with this housing over here, it goes in like that, okay, and it sits snug, okay, it sits snug. So this helps to prevent water from getting in. But now with the new one, this thing is huge, look at that, it has this big fat shit here, and this is on the side. The connection is not at the back. So because of that, what I have to do is I have to make a small slit over here and over here to push it through so that it can fit in. Okay, so time to put this in. Okay, so I've put back the pin, and now I'm just gonna I can put this back in, but I'm not gonna do it now. I have to make a cut over here, so let me just go get my scissors. Right, so let's make a cut over here. So let's just cut it and make it 180 degrees. Like that. Alright, so with this in, it's time to put this back. So I'm just gonna feed this through. And as you can see, because I made that cut, it's very easy to put in now. So now I put this bracket back in, and it's in. Now I connect this. Now a good thing to do is to check if the bulb is even working before you start connecting it back. And here's how the bulb looks like on the right side of the car. And for comparison, here's how it looks like with the old bulb on the left. Hey guys, so that's the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be changing out the corner lights. And as always, don't forget to change the blinker fluid. Peace out.